Hello students, welcome to PLA Computers or YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about link, hyperlink in HTML. I will copy this one and paste. Okay, so about link we are working. Okay, so let me open this one and with notepad also. Fine. Okay, so in this we are going to discuss about HTML links, or we can say hyperlink. We have two types of link. Okay, in two way we can write link. Okay, for link we have to use a tag. Okay, I will use br tag here. Okay students, so now a tag we have a attribute href hyperlink reference. Okay, so we can give the name. Suppose I want to give link to this image. Okay, image. So I will write here file name image.html. Okay, suppose it is about our plk sir. Okay, and a tag is pair tag, that's why we have to close also. I will save it and I will refresh it. Okay, so when I will click to this one plk sir. Okay, so we are redirect to another page. Okay, it means it is called hyper text. Okay, so when we click uh, it is going there. Okay, similarly we can give a link to the online thing also. So href equal to youtube.com/plk computer sir. Okay, links. Then hypertext we can say yt YouTube channel of plk sir. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, so this is the text. Here, close. Okay, I will save, refresh. Okay, I have not used br. Okay, so both are coming in same line. So now yt, so if I will click to this link, your file was not found. Okay, my dear students. Okay, sorry, I have to write here https colon then slash. Okay, refresh again. Okay, so protocol, because it was not the complete. Okay students, so you can check. So I have redirected to this plk computer sir page. Okay, when I will click here, my dear students. Okay, so https, this is the protocol, then www.youtube.com is the server name, and this is the particular page. Okay, so in this way you can give link to the online thing also. Okay, and offline, so same file we can keep this one. Okay, so this is called external link. Okay, when you click on one page, and if you are redirect to another page, okay, so if another page, then that is called external hyperlink. Okay, my dear students, but we can give hyperlink to the same page also. Okay, so I will delete this one. What does I want to tell you, my dear students? Suppose uh, we know, oh, okay, in heading tag I will write here computer system, then h1 close. Okay, in computer system, uh, uh, suppose number one, I will not use here list. Okay, actually I'm going to teach you the hyperlink, that's why. Suppose number one is input device, number two is central processing unit, number three output device, number four storage unit or memory unit. Okay, I will save it. Okay, sorry, but all are coming in same line, that's why I have to use br also. Okay, but if you have used link here, so it then there will not come this space problem, it will come through the new line. Okay, what I want to teach you, my dear, so let me open one file. Okay. Let me copy some content. Okay, suppose okay, two things I will copy here, my dear. Okay, so copy, then I will paste it here. Okay, so okay, my dear student, so this is about input device. Okay, so let me keep this input device in paragraph tag. Paragraph close, and okay, then this CPU in another paragraph. Okay, let me keep this input device outside. Okay, I will make it heading level 3 to look it better. Okay, so heading level 3, heading level 3 close. Okay, so many formatting tag we have learned, you can use apply accordingly. Okay, now it is looking good. Okay, if suppose we have so lengthy page. Okay, we are going down. Okay, suppose okay, same thing I will copy 2-3 times. Okay, copy 1 2 3. Okay, so we have so lengthy page. Okay, now suppose it is different matter. Suppose if you will click on number one input, okay, then okay, we have to come to this okay line, how to give the link between the same page. Okay, like bookmark also we can say this one. Okay, my dear students, okay, internal. So I want to give link to this number one. Okay, input device, internal link. Okay, for internal link, we have to use a tag asref equal to hash sign we have to give and location name, and this is the hypertext my dear student. Okay, after that I will close this one because location I have not kept, that's why. Okay, suppose this is number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I will refresh, number will also come. Suppose these are the different matter. Okay, dummy text. Suppose if I will click and I have to go to this 7 number. Okay, in 7 number. Okay, for that what I have to do, just I will go here. Okay, this is the location. Okay, I have to come to the 7 number. Okay, suppose, so what I will write, a name equal to this, it is 7 number. Okay, or anything like we can write i7. Okay, and this link we have to close a tag, anchor tag. Okay, my dear students, so our this location name is i7. Okay, so I will click here and then I will write here i7 and I will save it, refresh it. Okay, so when I will click this, what happened, location name is i7 asref, then a tag is closed, i7. Okay, my dear students, I have given one space after this angle bracket. Okay, so sorry for that. After this open angle bracket, no space. Okay, so save, refresh. When I will click this one, we have to divert it to number 7. Okay, so we are able to doing it. Okay, and suppose we are at the bottom and we have to go to top. Okay, for that what we have to go, for top again. So remember, after this angle bracket no space, asref equal to, so address is top, a uh, a tag, anchor tag close. Okay, save. At bottom what I will write, asref equal to, what is the hash sign, address is top. Okay, and I will write here go to top, a tag close. Okay, I will save it and I will refresh it. Okay, fine students. So if I will click here, okay, so we are coming to this top. In this way, top, bottom, middle, where you want to give link. Okay, so what does I want to teach you from this video, that link can be two, one external and another internal. If you click, next page will come, that is external, and within same page, if you like this one, go to top. Okay, down one, so this it is internal. Okay, so let me remove this one, and link we can give to the image also. Okay, suppose let me insert image src equal to plk dot jpg border bordr border equal to 1, height equal to 200, width equal to also 200. Okay, fine. Okay, so image we are getting. Suppose we can give link to this one. Okay, so we have to embed tag. Okay, so a tag, a href, suppose my YouTube channel, so https youtube.com/plk computer sor. Okay, this is the address, and in the hypertext I will keep this image. After image, what I will do, I will close the a tag. Okay, image tag is singular tag, empty tag, no closing, only opening. Okay, now a tag is closed. I will save it. Okay, I, okay, currently I am coming to this, there is no links on. Okay, when I will refresh, okay, now look, finger like a structure is coming. Okay, when I will click this one, okay, it is diverted to youtube.com/plk computer sir. Okay, so this is the address. Okay, my dear students, so we can give a link to the image also. Okay, so this much for the hyperlink. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe PLK Computer Sir for more such videos.